21K unboxing. Oh my gosh, so excited. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oxana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. And today everything about 21K fall winter 21. So excited for this unboxing, and this time the launch day was totally different, and I want you to share what's happening in your countries or your hometown, because previously since I have a profile with Chanel, I could literally order my handbag over the phone, and then later on I could come and pick up my purchase. And since I already know Chanel products, it was very easy. This time it was totally different story. I couldn't buy over the phone, so I would have to line up, and I'm gonna insert my videos that I took the lineup of just before the store opened. And believe me, it's not the all lineup, it was a really long one, so it was different story, different experience this time. But I was able to score an absolute beauty, and I think it will be a gem in my collection. So enough of rambling, and then I wanna also chat a little bit about my experience inside the boutique when I met somebody. Never mind, let's start with unboxing. So obviously the bag. And then I have this beauty. This is going to be a perfect thumbnail. So anyway, my beauty right here. So let's unbox. So the proof of purchase, and the price is definitely increased, but I couldn't pass this one. So let me remove the camellia. I usually put camellia right there on the box, so that's how I store it. Okay, and let's start. Oh my goodness. Written paper. Sometimes some people, they're trying to be so accurate when removing those stickers. I want to rip it off. I'm so excited. There you go. So the usual things, it comes with the care booklets, etc. So let me put these things away for now. And here is the dust bag and the moment of truth. Da 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 da, da 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 da. Look at this beauty. Oh, I have to actually, so once again another, let me just bring a little bit closer to the camera so that you can see. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, it's really wrapped up. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da! Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. So it's Coco handle mini, iridescent blue, but it's kind of like really funny color. In some lights it's almost look a little bit of turquoise, a little bit of greenish, and it's with the rainbow hardware. Obviously this light is quite bright, so therefore, okay, so let me open it and show you on the inside. Remove the strap, and that's how it goes. Gorgeous blue interior as well, and there you go, guys. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So happy. So while we are admiring this beauty, I have a little bit of story time when it comes to, first and foremost, Coco handle, because with this handbag I have a little bit of saga, specifically with the style of the handbag, not with this specific handbag. And then, you know, to my surprise, because my channel is so small compared to other YouTubers who is in the luxury community, like, you know, 50 plus, 100 plus, etc. My channel is really, really small, and I so appreciate every single subscriber on my channel. I believe I replied to all the comments, especially if there is some specific comments, like, you know, about some quality of the product or like, you know, size, etc. I tried to be as friendly as I could, because sometimes some of the comments not the bestest one, but you know, we have to deal with it. Anyway, yesterday at the boutique I met not one but two fellow Canadians, you know, Torontonians that following my channel. Thank you so very much. And I was a little bit surprised frankly, that people even can recognize me. You know, it was really a surprise and shock. And you know, I didn't even know, frankly, how to react at the beginning. I was just, hi, hello, how are you doing? But it was really a shock to me, like, you know, because it was first time ever happened to me that somebody actually could recognize me from my channel, because as I said, my channel is so small. I could never thought that it's ever gonna happen to me in my life, but that somebody gonna say, you know what, I know you from your YouTube channel. Anyway, thank you so very much, guys, for recognizing. Thank you so very much for following me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you haven't followed my channel, please do so, because I truly enjoy handbags. I enjoy luxury. I enjoy talk about handbags, talk about luxury, about my experiences, etc. If I love the handbag, why I purchased it. If the handbag didn't work out for me, I will tell you once again why it didn't work out for me. But anyway, today all about this beauty. As I said, I'm so happy. Before, I used to have two Coco handles in my collection. Both of them were in old small size. I think right now it's a size medium. I'm not sure what's the name, but the ones that it's at the bottom are 30 centimeters, because this is 24 at the bottom. And like, as I said, I truly love those handbags. But with those handbags, first and most, before they were with the fabric interior, and this one, they increased the price of Chanel Coco handle, but at least they increased the price and they improved the quality, you know what I mean? So right now it's leather interior, so it's totally different story already. Obviously it has to be a little bit more expensive. And in the small size right there up front, they used to have an additional pockets, and because it was a fabric, they're kind of like sticking out, so not easy to use. So not my favorite things about those handbags. And when it was a quilting also, there was no stitching at the back over here. It was just kind of like the flap is always given like some kind of almost like a line back there. So with the chevron, they had a stitch at the back, so it was kind of like holding nicely, like, you know, where there is a crease happen. But when it was a quilted handbag, there was nothing there. So it's definitely the quality or the style by itself, I find out that improved a lot. The chain is a little bit shorter comparing to the small size or extra mini size. I would say it's definitely difficult to make it crossbody, but I would say nowadays there is so many different extensions from so many brands that you can buy some kind of, you know, silver chain extension and just add it if you need it for the crossbody. And that's actually what I'm planning to do. I'm thinking even like, but in Hermes they have specific extensions, but they're mostly black color. It would be really nice to buy something in kind of like a blue or seal, you know, color, but we will see. Anyway, guys, this is what I have for you today. I definitely in few days gonna do what's inside my handbags. Maybe in a couple of months, etc. I'm gonna do also a video how do I like these handbags so far. But even from now, just from looking, I see that I'm gonna truly enjoy this handbag. And even when I'm putting on a table, most likely you won't be able to see, but it's not bending forward as I had the small before, because small size was kind of bending forward. This one is standing up straight upright, and that's what I like it the most. So I mean, there is nothing negative to say about this cutie, and oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this cutie. Let me just sit like that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. That could be another thumbnail. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for being today with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh my gosh, so happy, so happy, so happy, absolutely in love with this cutie. Alrighty, that's it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.